The man who sneezed a parallel universe. A man is in his room. He's about to sneeze. He does, and when he does, a shockwave goes out from him. The room bends. It splits. There are now two men. One of them is crying. The other one is made of spaghetti. Why? I don't know. They start to fight, but then the fight gets real weird. The gravity flips. Objects start floating. The eyeballs in the wallpaper open. We get glimpses of other parallel universes where fish fly through libraries and stuff. Then the scene cuts back to our man in his room. He looks around. He's not crying anymore. He's made of spaghetti. He sneezes again. This time the screen goes black. What does it all mean? I don't know. But if you like this kind of hyper absurd, glitchy, cinematic chaos, stick around for more.